Now different types of volcano we have learned. Now we will go for the volcanic landforms. Which kind of landforms we can have due to volcanic eruption. Now our next part is this, volcanic landforms. So these landforms may be, obviously it will be in various shapes and its features will be differentiated with each other. So these landforms result from accumulation and the arrangement of materials during the volcanic events like lava, ash, volcanic rocks. Sometimes it's also gone through the pyroclastic lava. So different landforms we will have now, and they have the different features and accumulation and the arrangements of the materials will be responsible for this. Its example, obviously the Hawaiian Islands formed by the volcanic activity, and these islands are shaped by the accumulation of lava flows, which numerous volcanic eruptions we can have in this lava formation, which showcase the different types of landforms. There are also volcanic landforms, earth surface shapes created by the volcanic activity. Its formation is dependent on the components like lava, ash, volcanic rock accumulation. An example is also there, the Hawaiian Island. Now, intrusive igneous rock forms and extrusive igneous rock forms. Two kinds of igneous rocks we have. Intrusive, that means the rocks which when it will be in the liquid portion, liquid state, and then it will be blasting over under the shapes. That is called the intrusive. That means interior surface of the earth, when we can see the lava is forming and the igneous rocks are also formed by this side. That is called intrusive igneous rock. What is written over there? Intrusive forms are various shapes formed by the magma that cools and solidifies beneath the earth surface. Just now which I said to you that it's not coming outside and blasting or erupting. It's just coming inside and cools and solidifies its magma or the lava and make the igneous rock. Yes, that's written, becomes the igneous rock. So this forms, first is batholith. All of you can see batholith. The same pronunciation. The other thing is lacolith, lapolith. The liths are the same. Okay, so that is your trick to remember the landforms. Liths are the same. Batholith. Batholith is large. It's dome-shaped masses of igneous rock. Typically, it's a granite and cooled magma deep within the earth. Just now we have learned that it's not coming outside, it stays and solidifies beneath the earth surface. That means it's typically granite. So batholith's example is granite. It formed cool magma deep within the earth and they become visible only after the overlying material is eroded away. That is the first landform is formed by the volcanic eruption. The first is batholith. Second is, come to the lacolith. It's a dome shaped. What kind of shape it is? Dome shape. If I am drawing, then you can understand how does it look like. If it's a temple, sometimes in history we have learned the dome shaped. It's just the dome shaped where no edges we can see. That is called the dome shaped. Okay, I am writing over there, dome shaped. So large intrusions with flat base we can see, and pipe-like structures we can have in the lacoliths. They are similar to the volcanic domes but are located deeper underground. All the features, all the landforms now, whatever we will learn, everything will be beneath the earth surface. So everything will be forming beneath the earth or deeper underground. Remember this. Next is lapolith. Lapolith is a saucer or plate shaped structure. It's just look like a saucer or plate shaped structure. And it curving upwards and from the upwards and lateral movement of magma. Phacolith. It's a wavy structure. All the structures name you need to remember. It's a wavy structure which found in the folder rock layers, and typically it's an anticlines or the bottom is synclines. How does it look like? Anticline. This is called syncline and this is called anticline. The real V and opposite of V shape. Okay, those are called the anticline and syncline. Come to the sills and sheets, the horizontal bodies of the igneous rocks, these are called the sheets, and thicker flat ones are called the sills. Okay, then horizontal bodies of igneous rocks, thinner formation, these are called the sheets, and thicker flat ones are called the sills. Come to the next, which is dikes. Wall-like formations we can have through the magma solidifies in cracks within the earth's crust. So, a lot of landforms today we have learned, from batholith, laccolith, lapolith, phacolith, sill and sheets and dikes. Come to the example. An example of intrusive form can be found in the Karnataka. That means in which state we can have? In Karnataka plateau in India, where domal hills of granite rocks are available. These are likely laccolith and batholith. Just now we have learned these are the dome shaped features, which is a clear example of this formation. And dikes, where we can get the dikes in Maharashtra and with the Deccan Traps, showcasing how these structures fit the volcanic eruption. Come to the gist or the summary, what we have learned from the above paragraph. The first, we have learned intrusive forms which is happening underground the nature or interior surface of the earth, which is called igneous rock shapes. Come to the igneous rocks or intrusive landforms. The first is batholith, where large granite dome shaped valley we can have. Laccolith, which is also dome shaped but flat bases. Lapolith is a saucer shape or the plate shaped curves. Phacolith is a wavy structure we can have, and sill sheets horizontal is a sills and the thickness will be sheets. Dikes will be the wall-like structures, and example is granite hills in Karnataka. This is the example of laccolith, batholith, and dikes in Maharashtra. This is the example of Deccan Trap. So the example, when you are writing or reading the landforms created by the different features, the revision points you need to remember.